Oh, hi. I had boogers. You wanna, guys, you wanna see something? It's my backpack buddy. I'm taking it on the cruise.
I told her not to.
Wait, guys, I have another one too. You're gonna keep me company. Is it recording?
Are you excited? It's a video.
Oh, it's a video. Yay!
Hi.
This is before Bridget's first cruise.
I don't know where to go.
We're going. This is the longest walk ever.
A lot of people are already complimenting our shirt.
Yes, we got
where we got it, but it's Maddy exclusive only.
Maddy exclusive only.
As we're out of room.
One more. One more. We're almost there. We're almost there. We almost made. Look at, I'm sweating. It's such a long walk.
We're not even in the boat yet.
Look at, my parents aren't even behind us anymore. We lost them.
Wow, guys, it's really big.
That's what she said.
Wow. Look at our boat. I want to get this.
Right now.
We're getting on the boat. It's so pretty. It's huge. Oh. You're about to get on the boat.
Guys, we're about to get on the boat.
Your first step on the boat.
It's my first step on the boat.
Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Ready? Ready? You're on the boat. This way. All right. You did it.
We're on, guys.
You made it.
We made it.
Okay, it's on.
Hi. We just went up like 3 flights of stairs, which doesn't sound like a lot.
Okay, stay here.
Okay.
Don't look.
I'm not looking. Look, guys. We're in the boat.
Wait, I need the key. One more. Can I see the camera? Can I have it?
Oh,
Thanks. Okay, guys, so we've surprised Bridget and we decorated the room for her. There it is. So now we're gonna get her reaction, okay? You ready, Bridget?
ready.
Okay, come in.
Coming.
Surprise!
Oh my god!
Surprise! We decorated. And look. Are you excited? All right, guys, it's room tour time, which means we're gonna have the expert, aka first time cruiser here. She's gonna give us the tour of the room.
Okay.
With her knowledge.
That's the bed.
Bed
and
one.
then that's the other bed. And these are the decorations because they got it for me because it's my first cruise and it's super cute and I cry. And then this is my fan. Maddy is so smart and she brought hooks that stick to the wall. Look. Wow. That's epic, right? And then, don't look at this. It's a mess. We were getting ready, okay? And this is our fan because Maddy likes to hibernate when she goes to sleep. I don't like that.
I don't like to hibernate. I just like to sleep where it's cold.
And then this is the closet. We have all of our dresses. Okay. We have all of our dresses and stuff like that, which you'll see later.
Yeah.
So, and then this is the door where you come in. We probably would have started with that. This is another decoration. This is the baño since we're going to Mexico. This is the baño. This is the shower and our scrubbies. And then stuff like that. It's so cute. And over here is the toilet, and it makes a really ugly sound. Dude, can I do it?
Sure.
Okay, listen. I don't like it. And then this is, look, okay, not to be a feminist, but this is awesome. They have bags for like tampons in your pads. That's just awesome. I don't know, I thought that was the coolest thing ever. Like, go Carnival, you know? And then we brought Poopery. Not sponsored because we poop stinky poops. And then this is, yeah. And then this is all of our makeup.
Yep.
And then that's the floor.
Okay, we're running out of stuff.
Oh, and then this is to the other room. So sorry if they can hear us. And then this is the fridge. We have stuff in there.
Let's see that fridge.
We're gonna do that later. and then this is water, but it's expensive, so we're not gonna drink it.
Okay.
And then this is the TV.
That's a TV.
This is the desk. And then
with shelves.
oh yeah. And then these are my flip flops and my feet.
Yep. Not sponsored.
No. Oh, and then they gave me this cute towel that says Bon Voyage. That means bye.
Okay.
Tessie? Oh. We're dark.
It's the only time I'll ever say that.
Otherwise, I'll be saying, I'm burnt. I'm red. I'm a tomato.
No, you won't be. I will be.
Guys, is my C-bands?
Wait, we have to turn the music on. Copyright. C-band time.
Hi guys. So, I'm on the floor.
Sorry.
This is my C-bands, and just like this guy right here who looks so thrilled, that's me.
She feels nothing. I can feel the boat moving, and she's like, no, I don't, and she's making me feel like I'm crazy. Like,
so
I don't feel
guys,
it.
not sponsored, but can be to get some money. It says C-band nausea relief.
I'm pretty sure it's called, oh, it is. How funny.
It is.
I thought it was called like nausea band or something.
No, C-band nausea
C-band,
relief. You
nausea
guys,
relief.
if you're traveling or stuff like that.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Yummy. Is it good?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, tonight, Mike gonna be 21, right? Okay. Happy birthday to Mike, okay? 1, 2, and 3. Happy birthday to you. You. Happy birthday to you. You. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you.
The cruise director recognized us. He knows us.
Because of what?
Huh?
Because of what?
Because this is our first cruise. And my first cruise.
Because we're wearing our shirts.
The cruise director knows us.